Painting. Ma, you get to try.
Sat here.
Ito. Ito. Ma.
I'll just open the electric.
I get to.
I think it's broken pala. Hi guys, Baby Rich is painting. Can you paint my face for a moment? Ano pa-paint mo, anak? Flower? Is that a flower?
That's a circle.
Ano yan?
Circle.
Circle. How many circles you want to make?
Dalawa and this and this.
Dalawa? What color is that?
Ma, circle. Oh, little tree.
Because Dede is crying if mommy is it. Mainit nga yun. Sasakit ang pit ni mommy. Kasi mainit siya. Wait, I get this.
Nasakit yan. Nasakit. Ito, sakit.
Kasi mainit siya. Hi
Ini.
guys! Si Dede po ay magwawat sa Ate Rich ng painting. Galingan mo ate eh. Ano color yan? Hala, wala ng pink. Ubus na pala yung pink. Ano? Rich, ano?
Let's buy again.
Ayun, gising si Shani. Shani is wake up na. Lulang ni Mera. Kamukha ni Shani ang lulang. Hindi. Kumapit yung aking ano sa dayong pa. Yeah.
But that's poison water. Cause that's my painting. Oh, do you see? This is painting.
You painted?
Yeah. So it's for drying. Ma, wait. I'm gonna put up there.
Okay.
I saw it. He's going to cry.
Why?
Because I'm going to put us there.
Don't rush.
Wait.
ba?
Mom is painting red.
Hello, it's red now. You paint na again. Lakshanin is looking at you. Alina.
Baba. Nanay.
Wow. What's that, anak? It's
Green.
a Lego.
No, it's green. It's like that.
I'm sorry. I thought it's a Lego.
It's Nigo ito. Nigo. If I got
It's
it's not
illegal
Nigo.
pala. Shannon! Pink! Oh? Look, oh, ate, oh. Ate is painting.
You can drink, guys. Do you want to drink it? It's a poison thing. You shouldn't drink it. Because when you drink it, this will not make sakit and pain on your head then. And your nose is hating.
All. No drinking.
Guys, you so it the bubbles become out. Do you see?
Yeah. Where do you get the bubbles? You don't need...
Na naggalit ang mom. Cause na-tried siya ang baby Shining nasaksak
Na?
ng ito,
Ano?
iguji and pain pa.
Hello.
Cause naggalit siya ang mom niya.
Hello. And then?
Then nakuha.
No.
Then naggalit.
Hello. Kawawa naman.
Kawawa ang baby Shining.
I-paint mo na, gandahan mo ng flower.
Mama, come here. Hi guys, I'm painting. Mommy, watch me.
Wait
No
lang, wait lang.
cell phone, you guys. I will
Yeah.
watch you guys. It's red now, you.
Hello.
Oh, I told you,
Wait
you're
lang,
not
look at it.
watching. Matupay siya.
Ah, don't bite siya. Oh, make awa bata. Ay, drawing na si Dayday. Dali. Then show it to daddy. Dali. Draw it. Draw Dayday. He's so small. Dali.
Ma, don't tell to
Face.
baby.
Oh, you make a circle muna. I'm gonna teach you how. You make a circle. You put ears, mouth, and nose. Go. And
Ma, put it in. You just put it in. And Ma, it's Danny.
Hala!
Let's put this in. Tomorrow I will give this to you, yeah.
Yan, get na. Okay. I was a girl, ha?
Ma, ito, doon.
Alin?
Don't fry.
Iibit mo nga yan ulit.
Ito?
Hindi yan. Itong damit nito. Daming wiwi ni Tutoy. Puno ang diaper Aba. Is that I get to me?
Apa this? Ma, it's black. Do you want black hair?
Black hair. Diba black naman ang hair ni Tutoy? Ikaw, anong color ng black mo?
Pink. Mama, you paint Day. Wait.
Okay.
Ma, you
Ibig
paint the
kami.
circle.
Okay.
Pa, then I will.
Give me the coloring game.
Hey, not. If I get to put it to the paint,
Oo
if
nga.
I got.
Color black.
Hmm?
Black ang hair, diba?
Okay, I will change it.
Pag-ibig mo. Then I will make a face. Kulang.
That's my shot.
Isa pa, dali.
This is you, baby. You watch. It's you.
That's Day.
Day. Oh,
And then,
let me try again. Mama. I will pack it.
ayun na si Emil! Wake up na! Sabi mo, Emil, let's paint! Ah! Sabi mo, let's paint, Emil!
Ay, ayaw na.
Ha?
Ayaw.
Ayaw niya?
Ayaw ang eme ang paint.
Bakit?
Cause I kiss him, cause he don't like ba. Cause he don't like the kiss. Cause he didn't love me.
He didn't love you?
Yeah.
Why?
Cause he don't like the kiss, cause baho ang inga ko.
Bakit na?
Cause I brush over my throat, cause his it is so very baho.
Alin?
Ang tit ko,
Yucks. That's why it's dirty na. Na. Let's sleep kaya.
I don't like to sleep.
You will stay here. We will go inside the room.